wanted to give y'all a look today at Meadows 240, what all we've been getting done on it. The thing has been flat black for 3-4 years now, had no hood, no fenders, no headlights, and was just falling apart. He got a parts car and swapped the hood, headlights, everything over to his car. He got it painted in like 3 days, middle of the week. I just went over there for Saturday before the event and laid all the livery on the car, got it ready for the event. And we were very proud of how it turned out. So check it out. So she rips.
Yeah.
Still.
That didn't change. Oh, it's fun.
Oh, yeah. Right. This is going to be interesting. The banner is too big for the desk, and I gotta figure out how to put transfer paper on it. Here goes nothing. Well, it looks good. It's all loaded up. We got Riverside Drift tomorrow. It's no spectators, drivers only. But it looks good. Nobody's seen this color yet, and this video won't release until after everybody's seen it, so no big deal. Keep it coming. Woo. You're clear, plenty of room. Keep coming. Got about 4 feet. Ready for tomorrow. down, so I guess a lot of people are coming out just ready for some track time. Definitely getting sunburned today. Definitely getting some track time. Not me, Meadows. Car looks real good. I'm really excited to show y'all. Check it out. Yeah, we just finished it. We got finished it painted 2 days ago, and then I put all the vinyl livery on it just last night. This thing had headlights in how many years?
3.
3 years.
3 years, no headlights, and
Last of the day now.
Man, that's off the showroom right there. That's good. Factory.
I'm actually quite surprised the paint didn't fly.
Yeah.
that's a good paint job for it on crap like that.
Yeah.
It cost $200.
What did?
Paint.
That paint was $200?
Half a gallon. We're good.
Yeah.
I just don't have parts. Yeah, for a gallon of paint and hardener, 200 something bucks.
Our buddy McGinnis just
Mike's like
painted
apologizing to me like, bro, it was completely my fault.
everything. Yeah.
We're all good.
What do you see is nice about it?
That's still new. Oh shit, hopefully there ain't no fucking pit fights.
Yeah. The new world star.
I seen it too. I was like,
Yeah. I did get it on film if you ever want to rewatch that or relive that part of your life.
I think that's Mike's sticker.
yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely off his door.
I need a new bumper anyway.
Yeah.
Now I need a new. I got another list. We're good on that.
Time for a
I got another hood. We're good on that.
new parts car, I guess. Gotta go pick one up.
No, he's already got all the shit.
Oh, hell
Everything
yeah.
I need, like the
Minus the
bumper.
bumper.
I need a bumper and I got the fender already. I've got everything I need. I'm not worried about it. It's gonna hurt my feelings anyway. I told you it's gonna hurt my feelings a little bit to get a crash, and I'm fine. It's good.
Now you're ready to send it.
What's going on with yours?
This felt fun. I don't know if the water just rushed off the front end and made it sort of washy. It just felt loose in front end, but everything shakes tight. So.
Yeah, because I saw you not hit the entry, and then started to slide around the bank, and then stop.
Quickly, it looked like he was going to over rotate, so I just held back. And then when I clutch kicked it, windshield was laying over. But
front bumper's falling off. He's wanting to weld that back on.
I don't think Flick brought his welder.
Yeah, that's why I was like, maybe you can drill holes in.
That's what we're doing this for.
we got to hook the submerger to it to snatch it back around. It's bad.
That's how we fixed the hood the first time. I guess it'll work a second.
4 runs. I pushed it up. Wasn't a problem.
I wasn't watching.
I didn't do it in
All right, guys, that's it for this episode. If you like what you saw, make sure to smash that like button below, subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. And don't forget, first off, we are a clothing company. So if you'd like to join the family, check out our website and see what's new with Dirty 13. We drop new merch all the time. We got new shirts out right now. Peace.